In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create abandoned cart email Klaviyo marketing chamber. To get started, open your Klaviyo account and look at the left side navigation. On that menu, you will click Flows. This is the section where you can build automated messages that trigger based on customer behavior. Taking a moment to confirm you are in the Flows area helps prevent any confusion, especially if your dashboard has several marketing tools. After you click Flows, the screen will change and you will be ready to create a new automation. In the top area, you will see an option that lets you either create from scratch or browse ideas. Click Create from Scratch or Browse Ideas in the top right. If you already know exactly what you want to build, creating from scratch is a direct path. If you prefer a starting point, browsing ideas can help you select a template faster. Either option is fine, but the goal is to begin a new flow that will drive your abandoned cart email. Next, you will see a search bar on the screen. In that search bar, type abandoned cart. This step is important because it narrows your results to templates that specifically match the behavior you want to automate. Abandoned cart flows are designed for shoppers who start checkout but do not complete it, and Klaviyo uses that keyword to locate the right templates. Once you have typed abandoned cart, review the results that appear. You should see multiple template options, but the instruction here is to click the standard abandoned cart template card. Selecting the standard version ensures you are working from a well-known baseline setup. This usually includes the core structure and logic expected for abandoned cart outreach, so you do not need to build everything from the ground up. Now that you have selected the template, the next step is to begin creating the actual flow. Click Create Flow. At this point, Klaviyo will prepare the flow for setup, based on the template you chose. You will typically be taken to a builder screen where you can review the flow name, confirm the trigger, and look at the messaging steps that will send the email. As the flow loads, take a moment to scan what Klaviyo has prepared for you. You are looking for the pieces that control when the email sends and what it includes. The trigger is what determines the moment a shopper qualifies as having abandoned their cart. The email action is what sends the message to that shopper. Understanding these elements before making changes helps you customize with confidence. From here, you can proceed with the rest of the flow configuration in whatever way your workflow requires. But the instructions you are given focus on getting to the point where the flow is created from the standard template. Once you are at the Created Flow screen, you have successfully set up the foundation for your abandoned cart email automation. That is the full process covered by the steps: clicking into flows, starting a new flow, searching for abandoned cart, choosing the standard abandoned cart template, and then clicking Create Flow to open the builder. That covers everything you need to know.